Hey, first watch this.
कति राम्री राम्री केटीहरू छन् यार यस्तो ठाउँमा आएर माया नै लाग्छ
हो नि यार लभ पर्यो अब त घर फर्किन मन लाग्दै
Want to create a video just like it? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. First, head over to oneshotco.com and click on the viral scene generator in the nav bar. Enter your rough video ideas. Select the genre of video you want to create and choose your audience type, like everyone in my case. Finally, select the language for the dialogue you want to generate. Click the Generate button, and in just a few seconds, your viral scene prompt will appear. See, it's ready. Just copy it and go to the gemini.google.com. Paste the prompt there, but make sure to remove unnecessary text like scene description and viral scene text as I'm doing now. Also, be sure to select video as your output, then hit enter to generate. Just wait a moment for the output. See how amazing it is. Great. Now go ahead and upload it to your social media. Happy content creating. Follow me for more videos like this.